Did you know that what you eat can directly influence your hormones? That's right. Your diet isn't just about weight or energy. It affects your mood, metabolism, sleep, fertility, and even your skin. Today, we're sharing the best foods that balance your hormones naturally, so you can feel healthier, more energetic, and in control. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss simple, science-backed tips that can transform your health. Let's start with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that support your liver, which is crucial for hormone detoxification. They also provide magnesium, which helps regulate cortisol, your stress hormone. Next up, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for hormone production. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, balance estrogen and progesterone levels, and even improve mood. Avocados are another hormone-friendly food. They're high in healthy fats, which are building blocks for hormone production. They also contain fiber and potassium, supporting blood sugar balance and adrenal health. Don't forget nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds. They provide essential fatty acids, fiber, and lignans that help regulate estrogen and support overall hormone balance. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or smoothies for an easy boost. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are amazing for hormone detox. They contain compounds that help your body metabolize estrogen efficiently, reducing the risk of hormonal imbalances over time. Berries and colorful fruits are not just delicious. They're packed with antioxidants and fiber that help stabilize blood sugar, support insulin regulation, and protect your cells from inflammation, which is key for hormonal health. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice provide complex carbohydrates that regulate insulin and serotonin, which can improve mood and energy levels. Avoid refined carbs, which can spike blood sugar and disrupt hormone balance. Another powerhouse is fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for hormone metabolism, especially estrogen. Including probiotics in your diet can improve digestion, immunity, and hormone regulation. Finally, herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties that support hormone health and help reduce stress and oxidative damage. Remember, balance is key. Eating a variety of these foods consistently, combined with proper sleep, stress management, and hydration, can help your body produce and regulate hormones naturally. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Health IQ for more science-backed, natural health tips every day. Your hormones control almost every aspect of your health, so taking care of them through your diet is one of the most powerful steps you can take. Comment below, what step are you starting today? We'd love to support you on your journey. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health wisely.